This is how you can find recently watched reels on Instagram. Say you were on Instagram, scrolling through the reels, you found one you liked, you watched it, you just kept on scrolling, and you wanted to go back to the one that you liked, that you enjoyed, but you didn't press the like button, and you didn't comment. There's two different ways you can find Instagram reels. I'm going to show you how in this video. So you got to open Instagram first. Let's just search for it here. There it is. Open that up, and here's some reels. We're scrolling through, and you like some of them, you watch them, whatever. And then later on, you're like, oh, what was that one I saw earlier? You can just scroll back up. And you can scroll back to the one that you saw earlier. But this only works in the current session of using Instagram. Once you close Instagram, that history, this scrolling up is not going to work for you. But if you liked any one of these, let's just say I like this one right here. Now if I go to my profile and I tap on the stacked icons up here, or the hamburger icon, so let me tap on it, there we go. And we go to your activity, I can go to likes, and it's going to show all the reels that I've liked in recent history. There's the one we liked just now. There's another one, that list that I liked earlier, just to test this out. And this goes and shows all the reels that you've ever liked, ever. So this goes back for as long as your Instagram account exists. If you comment on something, it's going to show the ones that you comment on. If you repost something, it's going to show all the ones that you reposted. And so if you interact with the reel that you enjoy, then it's going to show up in one of these spots. If you don't interact with it, it might be hard for you to find it again. So interacting with it is probably a good thing to do if you want to save them for later to watch again. And whether you're aware of it or not, the more reels you watch on Instagram, the more the Instagram cache fills up. This video shows you how to empty the Instagram cache so you can save more space on your phone. So check out that video next. If you like the one you watch right now, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.